Hello, and welcome to the 71st episode. And welcome to another Megalomaniac Sunday episode. I'm your host, Jimster Gaming, and I'm playing OTTD on a huge Europe map. And let's hide the phone again. So, today we will have a look at the two shipping lanes that I put on off camera. So, I put on some metal. So these are currently over here. Oh yeah, sorry, because I spread them out a little bit. So these are coming from Inverness and going over the North Sea and into Drammen, from where we put on some trains last time. So we have one going to Oslo and two going to Gothenburg. So that was the first one out. The second one out that I made off camera is a shipping line from Kristiansand that is shipping sugar beets, and it's shipping them over to Kingston up on Hull, which is here, and from here we need to bring them over to Nottingham, which is down here, and to this sugar refinery. And that will be the main center of attention this episode, to be honest. So, first of all, we need to put on some trains to actually get the sugar beets down to the docks. So the sugar beets are up here, I believe. Yes, there they are. So I'm going to put it on here. Let's make it electrified, of course. No, let's do that. Just to avoid this hill. So just put them on here. And the other one on there. I know this isn't optimal for the moment, but you'll probably double track this anyway at some point in time. So let's just bring this one over there. That's 9 and 9. And let's shave the edge of that one. Oh, and we need to go down again. Wow, look at that. So I want to have the station over here. So, oops, let's put this one in. Just to see where we end up. So 8 it is. That's over there. Okay, great. So that should be fine. Let's put on all these stations like that, and then put fixtures on at the end. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 8 long, so that's great. Perfect. Bring this one over there and bring this one over on that. Turn there. Great. So let's put on signals there and there. Done. So we need to put some sugar beets on, and let's do that here. It's called Drammen, yeah, it is. SB for sugar beets. And let's, oh sorry, I have the totally wrong one there. It should be that one, of course. The sugar beet production is 45 tons. I have 270 on these ships. So I'm actually going to put on a train that do 270 tons of sugar beets. So they're not going to be frequent at all, but it doesn't matter because sugar beets is one of these things that is going to come rather frequent anyway. No, that's one too much, right? Sugar beets 270. Done. And let's fill up. And just bring it down there. The thing is, I'm not sure if I should put 2 on or not. Because that just means that one of them is usually going to be waiting in the depot, but whatever. So that was done, and we now have 600 trains. Look at that. Good, so that connects to the shipping line on that side, and then we need to connect on this side, which we will do with a station that needs to be 8 long. And connect it to that one. I got a little bit worried on this one because I thought the double track will end up on the other side because of this, but I can see that I had actually planned it on this side, and we shouldn't have this electrified, by the way. So let's remove the electrification. So this one is ready for it, which is great. Yes. So that's done, and the question is, I think we have to bring it down there, I guess. So I need to figure something out with this one, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there is a little bit room here. The problem is that the city have that. Gosh, it's not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's nothing I can do there, and the city has this area, and I can't get through from this side because the city. Oh, I can actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could do that in case I use a very short station and only use 4 platforms, for which I'm a little bit worried. That would not be a great thing. Or I can actually put the station in this direction, to be honest. Yes, so let's redo this. Do that one and remove these. Put one on there, which means I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That should be fine. Put these on here. And do that, and then bring them over here, because that means I get a little bit better chance at actually building something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do that, let's do that, and put these on, which means that we are out of reach most likely. Or are we? You're just out of reach, okay. That's fine. So let's build one there and remove it. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should work. And let's put 4 on there and 4 on those. And then to make sure that we actually have a connection, let's put on one of these and that one there. Great. It means we now have access. That's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. That's great. This is there, that's there. We have one behind there. Okay, great. Perfect. I would have preferred to have this one on the other side, but I don't have that option, so let's do it here then. I wonder actually what the size is of these. They are 3 size, 270. Okay, that's great, because that means I can put a 4 size in here actually, so I can keep the good ones for something better, or something that needs it more. Not bad at all actually. Just need to make sure we have that one there. Good. Put on a waypoint. To pick up sugar beets. Oops. And it will be a steamer. I wonder if I should use one of these. I think this one is rather beefy, isn't it? 1458. No, it's very slow, that's right. This one don't have the pulling power. The elephant is also really slow. Okay, don't want those. So that means an R train again, which is basically what we keep using every time. So 2 of those, 3 of those, and 1 of those. Is that the correct one? Sugar beets? Yeah, no it wasn't. 50. Sorry. Sugar beets? Yes, great. Perfect. Put this one on and full load and get cracking this way. This one is so short so it doesn't matter which one it takes actually. We might have someone long later on that needs an in, just to make sure that it don't get stuck somewhere. So let's put 2 of those on and release them. Great. Perfect, that was the first one. So now we are going to move down here, and in Brighton there is actually some manufacturing supplies being produced. No amounts, but still. Problem is this one is supposed to cover several places, which it probably will not be able to, but yeah, what can you do? It needs plenty of metal to produce something. So we have some manufacturing supplies coming from here, and let's put a depot on. And again one of these, and manufacturing supplies. So I'm actually just going to do one of those, which is 70 size. I think I'll leave it at that. It's not much, but it doesn't matter. make a full load, bring it in this direction through London waypoint, and then bring it up on this side to that waypoint and over there. Oh, we have another waypoint on the way. Let's just use that one. Perfect, and depot. I'm going to put 2 on. So that was that. Then we have a farm in Brighton as well, which produces sugar beets. So I think I'm going to connect it here, because I believe these are good. So let's put on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is there. And then we should be able to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can do it there and there, and remove those 2. Great, because I need to get the grain out as well at some point. So let's just do that, and 9 it is. And signal there. And here I need to put on a station. I'm going to use the same one actually. Do the same as I just did. So 3 times 4, and then just fixtures down. Like that. And connect to this one. Perfect. And sugar beets it is. Done. And let's set up a line. So we have these ones, and we are going to do some sugar beets. That was scrap metal. Sugar beets were there. So this one is going to produce, wow, this one is going to produce almost 400 tons a month when it gets farm supplies, that is. That is a lot. So it can't take this one. I can't do more than 6, which is 300. And it doesn't make sense. So let's put double ones on. And is there a weight difference on these? No, there isn't. So let's just put 10 on. That's 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 600. That's basically what these two can manage to move around the countryside. So let's do that. Full load it is. Bring it there and bring it past Northampton, and Northampton on the other side, and into this one. But this one is more than 4, which means I need to put an in on it. Let's do that there, and need to remember the naming conventions. Waypoint changed, and then just return the same way again. Through that one, and through that one. Good, and into the depot, which is there. And we have signaling, so that's great. And let's make 2 of those. Perfect. So, on to the next one, which is in Leeds Bradford. That must be, that's this one, I guess. Yes. And this one is already prepared, so it's just to actually get this station done. It is going to cause a little bit of an issue in this sometimes, but I don't think it will be too bad. So let's just do the same, but with 3 this time. So let's do 3 dash, and that means we need to do 5 of the other one, and I need to shave these 2 off. So there are yeah, let's just do 5 like that. Bring this one out, this one on, and we are done. Perfect, and let's put that one on. So we have a depot and waypoint. And train, we said 63, which means almost 200 a month. This one can do 6 of those, which is 300. It can do 5, which is 250. That would do. Sugar beets. Bring these in. Make a full load. And bring them. Oh, there is no waypoints around here. Okay, well, just bring it down there. It is not 4, so it should be fine. Perfect, and clone. Done. Next one out is Edinburgh, which is this one, I assume. Yes, Edinburgh Arable Farm. So in this case, oh, this one is actually bringing something down there. Oh, that's some scrap metal. Okay, so in order to have room for it, I need to put one extra on. I'm going to use the station here then, like that, for the grain, which we are not going to transport for the moment. Put the depot on. Sugar beets it is. And the train. What did we say? It do 63. Okay, that's fine. And this is a longer route, so I'm actually going to put on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is basically the absolute limit of what these small trains can do. Or, well, these steam trains can do. Full load it is, and bring it down this way. And it's not long either, so it doesn't matter. And the same waypoints on the way back. Otherwise it's going to be difficult. And into the depot, and I think we'll make 3 of these. Done. Bank balance is still healthy, 19 million. So over to the next one, which is in Norwich, I believe. Which must be this one, or... yes. Good. So this route will continue to Norwich, is the plan. So let's get cracking in, oops, in that direction then. I would like to avoid bringing it right. I think actually the station will end up being here somewhere. So I think I'm going to stick with that. So that's done. Over there. So my guess is that we'll have one going through here. But I don't want to destroy a lot of trees for nothing. So let's just do that. Done, and put this one on. Oh, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do that. And just prepare down here, and then count from there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's perfect. And let's do 3. Let's do 3 fixtures, and then 2 of those on that side, and fixtures for the rest. Just to make some difference between them. So this one done, and sugar beets it is. I don't think there's any waypoints in this direction. No, there are not. Okay, so let's put one on here. And this will do 45. That's not so much, so that's 150. Let's do 5 then. And sugar beets, and waypoint, station, full load, and through this waypoint over here, and this one over here, this one over here, and into the station. And then just do the same way back. That one, and depot, and 2 will do. Good. And then there's only one left, which is the one I believe in Northampton. That must be this one, right? Yes. So I need to bring this one 9, which is there. It's an awkward place to do it. And then do 9 again, which is there. That's a better place to do it. There don't seem to be any trains coming, so that's fine. There and there. Perfect. And I'll have to bring this one out. At least for now. I don't know where the farm supplies will come from for this one. But we'll find out, I guess. Should do. We are in reach, aren't we? Yes, we are. Good. Need to fix that one as well. Put the station on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Wrong way. let's do that and put fixtures for the rest. So fixtures there and fixtures there. Great. This one there. And again, sugar beets. This one produces 72, so that is 210 per month to be transported. So let's do 250 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it's sugar beets. Waypoint, full load. Make sure that there are signals. Continue through that waypoint and into the station. Same way back. And into the depot. And let's duplicate them. Done. So that was a lot of sugar beets. So we have now fixed everything that needs to go to Nottingham sugar plant. Next up is to get some farm supplies moving. So I had actually completely designated Ipswich to the Nordics, so Scandinavia, but it actually produces really much, and I'm just using 800 or something every 3 months. So therefore this one will also get its supplies from Ipswich. Doesn't make any sense to keep it full here. Let's do that because we need to have access to build an extra track maybe. There we go. So this one will go out on this side because that means I can put depot there. And then I'm going to put this one on here. The thing here is that I honestly don't need anything else, do I? I can just do that. Oh, sorry. Duh. Forgot to press Control. Let's try again. Norwich Manor. And just make this one do that and continue in this direction. Try to destroy as few fields as possible. And sorry, and put this one over there. And bring this one down there. The funny thing with these bridges is that when you make a road bridge, it's going to suggest something that do 160, and there's no vehicles that are faster than that, or faster ones, which is like, so why would I build a concrete viaduct where you can drive 402 kilometers an hour when there isn't any vehicles faster than 160? But anyway, for the looks maybe, but well, that's the only reason I can see. So let's put some farm supply stuff on here. I'm going to use this one. I think it takes 15 only, but that's fine. Because it's not a very long drive. Make it full load again. Put it there and back to the depot. I might actually put some temporary fix in here and just dump forth 3,000 units of farm supplies on a farm next to the coast somewhere. But that's a later story. right now I won't do that. Great. So I fixed that anyway. So let's remove it from the list. So left to do is to supply Brighton, which will come from Birmingham. And Birmingham will also supply Northampton, this one. And then from Glasgow, which is here, we're going to supply the one in Edinburgh, which is down here, and the one in East Bradford, which is this one. So that is left to do. And I'm going to do that off camera and just show it in the start of the next episode, as I usually do, to save some time, because this will be a very long series anyway. So that's the next things on the menu now. And in the next episode, I would guess that we continue and finish off a little bit in Scandinavia, because the plan was to actually do that on these Sunday stuff, the Megalomaniac Sunday things, so we can get cracking on Monday somewhere else tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. This was a Sunday Megalomaniac episode, and there will be one more in an hour or two. So until then, have fun and thank you for watching.